Alright, this is what you call superior customer service on my part. Half mile up this massive road, hill, mountain, whatever you want to call it, with an appliance because the truck obviously couldn't make it up this steep road and day after a blizzard. And I obviously wasn't just gonna tell the customer sorry, so I lugged it all the way up the hill. At least it's beautiful out here at Acworth, but some crazy terrain for appliance delivery. We don't have a four-wheel drive truck. And I fell down a couple times on the way up, so hopefully I get down without falling down again.